I purchased this seat off Amazon. It's a children's seat that has a smaller seat built inside. I'm going to install it now and I'll do an honest review of what I think of it. So far, the quality seems, fantastic. The seat is heavy. It seems like it's some sort of wood actually. It's not, uh, it's not a cheap plastic light seat. So here I'm just putting the seat down through the holes in the toilet bowl. And it comes with these two locks here. One's a washer, and the second is a locking nut. So I'll pop this on quick, and once you do both sides, obviously, I'll speed the camera up here, just because I'm sure you don't want to watch this part. But one thing that I can't understand is how the smaller seat sticks to the top lid. I don't know what they're using, but I can tell you it does not fall. And I'm not sure what it is. You can see the little red thing there on the top of the lid. But it seems to grab that small seat amazingly. And my child can pull it down. You can see here I'm moving the toilet seat up and down and it's not falling. Overall, I give this thing an A+.